We are at the Staybridge Suites, Columbia, Missouri, and we're going to take a room tour of room 419. But I don't have cash for patients for one night, so let's do this. Let's walk in here. And this door. Alright. This right here is my room. This is the hallway. This right here is your table with your luggage, my grips. That door goes into the closet and goes to the bathroom. We'll show you later. This right here, this right here is a one king size bed. Queen size bed. Very, very nice. Nice blanket. One extra pillow. And with nightstand, with your lamp, with your Holy Bible, good book, and the phone book. And over here, with your flat screen TV with the remote. And we have your desk, mirror, hi. Hello. With your refrigerator and freezer. And over here to your right is your microwave. Coffee maker in the morning. Coffee. And over here is the air conditioning unit. Oh yeah. Too cold, too cool, too heat, the freezing. Let's see later. Oh, here's your view of the city of Columbia at nighttime. And over here, we'll open this door. And this is the standard hotel closet. With your iron board, with your iron, with your hangers. I'm not sure up there too. It's neither too. So we'll close this up. Now we'll go check out the bathroom. And we'll open this door up. And here it is. Here's the standard hotel bathroom. And then over here it has a sink, mirror. Hello! With your underneath the sink, pipes. They're very clean. Sink, hot and cold. Here is the toilet. Nice button for flush. Pretty clean, but very clean. But and over here is the bathtub with your shower head. Hot, cold. Oh, really nice for looking in the shower head. Cold, hot. All right. Just closes this up. All right. All right. Here's the. All right. All right. Here's the final filts. All right. Want to take one more look at the room? So, John and Jacob, Bata, Andrew, what do you think of this hotel room? It's pretty very nice, very clean. So, I guess thank you for watching, and that is all.